Now let's talk about a simple electric circuit. A simple electric circuit. There's no theory here. We learn by doing. If you recall the theory a little bit, there is a dedicated video about a little bit the theory of electric circuit. A simple circuit, a simple electric circuit has battery as a voltage source. It has a switch for either allowing the current to flow by completing the loop or not. So we have battery, we have a switch in a simple electric circuit. This is our switch. Basically, it's a connected piece of wire. So if you put it here, it means this side and this side are completely connected. So there is electrical conductivity or continuity, as we saw on the other video. So a simple electric circuit simply has a switch like this one, or this one, a switch. It has a resistor like this one. It has a bulb, and we are using light emitting diode as a bulb. Let me use the red one, red LED as a bulb. Here. So a switch. I've shown how the switch look like. This is our simple switch. Simple switch. Simple switch. A resistor here. This is one of the resistors. They are of different types. This is one of the resistors. But I could show you as well another type of resistor. You see, they are resistors of different colors. And LED, this is one of the LEDs, but here we have a different color, which is red, is here. So when you have a switch, you have a resistor, you have a bulb, you have a voltage source, you have components which formulate a simple electric circuit. And basically we have empty slots here, so we can just put switches here. These are basically just conductors to complete the loop or to complete the circuit or the path. In the future we will see why do we need these two other extra slots when we have more complex circuits. For now it doesn't make sense, but just bear with me. So these are basically just